We are here in Hamburg, in Hout Bay, with 6 new volunteers in the high-risk area known as Sloot. They've done fire training with the fire extinguishers. They've done the fire awareness and fire safety training. Today we want to hand over 6 fire extinguishers as well as 6 first aid kits for the new volunteers, the new team leaders.
For the opportunity wat hulle vir ons gegee het vandag om part te maak van die training, fire training. So ja, ek wil net baie hartlik baie dankie sê. So ek beoog nie dat baie van ons community nog op gaan kom vir die training om ons te help om die training as 'n systeem aan te ry. Dankie.
Dankie.
So, dankie julle.